Hi guys and welcome to the educational Nifty 50 analysis video for today. So today was 28th of April 2025. So today the market has gone up. So it has gone up in a bullish side. So as you guys can see here, the highest point what the Nifty 50 has touched today is around 24,352. Okay. So market today has opened at 24,070, and after opening we can see here the market has gone straight up for the day. So the first resistance level was around 24,300 for today. So we can see here around 24,290, somewhere around there. The market has first acted as a resistance level around 10 to 10:15. You can see later it has been retraced a little bit, and later it has given this breakout. And once this breakout was done, the market has touched the highest point of around 24,350 around here, and later it consolidated, as you guys can see here. So around 12:15 is a time when the market made its highest point, and later after 12:15 the market was bit range bounded, and you can see here there was no much movement after that. Okay, so later we can see the market has again come down around 2:30, and it has touched the low of almost 24,260 somewhere over here, and later it has taken a support around this level at the ending of the time and closed around 24,312 for today. So this is how the overall market has performed for today. So for the first half the market was volatile, and also it was quite bullish. As you guys can see, the market has gone up. Okay, and later after going up it has made 24,350 level as a resistance level for today, consolidated there for the other half of a day. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for today, and this analysis is only for educational purpose. And also, if you guys are interested in learning more about price action based strategies and want to learn about analyzing the charts, you can contact on the Telegram ID mentioned on the screen for more educational details. Okay, and now let's see the index, how the other index has performed for today. So today the Nifty oil and gas is the most gained index for today. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this index has gone up for today. So it has touched 11,156 as the highest point for today. So this is the Nifty oil and gas index what we are seeing right now. So this is the most gained index for today. So once it touches this highest point around uh, 1 145, it has taken a retracement from the highest point and it has come till here. Okay, so this is how it has performed. So Nifty oil and gas was the highest gained index for today. And if you see Nifty auto here, so this index today at the beginning, even though when the market was going up, we can see this was in a bit of a slower kind of a momentum, but later it has gained a momentum for throughout the day, and it has gone up and made its highest point around 22,424 for today. So this is Nifty auto index, how it has performed for today. And Nifty IT is an index which has not performed much for today. So all the other indexes has performed in a bit of a greenish side, but Nifty IT is a one index which is closing in a bit of a downside for today. So as you guys can see here, the Nifty IT index performance for today was a bit of a range bounded, we can tell. So the first red candle itself had come down for today, and after coming down it has made this current low level as a support level. So it has taken this support and it has slowly recovered for the day, and here it is how it has closed for today. So this is how the Nifty IT has performed for today. So yes, this is the overall analysis and overall highlights for today. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.